Hi everyone, it's Vanilla Peach, and in our playlist of, I think it was follow along tutorials, you guys asked me a question, and I put in our Q&A, the question was actually sent, not in our comments, but it was actually sent by our email. And so I decided to create a video on how I make my videos, because you guys wanted it, so I decided to create it. So my screen recorder that I like to use, so if I go to a Google Chrome tab, I'm using a Windows computer actually, so I click Microsoft G, and you can get like this sort of thing, and you can screen record with that, you can mute it, you can take screenshots, and it's actually really cool, and I really like to use it. But the thing it doesn't do is, you can't record it when you're on File Explorer or when you're on your desktop. But what I actually now like to use the updated version if I want to record my desktop and many other things too. I like to use Active Presenter, which is actually what I'm using right now to record. Can I see Active Presenter? Oh no, it isn't here. It's fine, but it's still recording, and I know that. Okay. Anyways, let's get into what I like to use our intros for. So, for my intro maker, I actually really like to use Panzoid. So it's like a free thing. Absolutely free. Just wait for my browser to load. It can take a couple of minutes, but it's fine. Go to panzoid.com and you'll receive this page. And it has all of these like intros and outros in it. And it's just like, you can like customize it over here, so latest top, and you can just choose whichever one you want, and you can customize it amazingly. Except you can't customize the background, I think, because I'm pretty new to this, but yeah, I've used it before. So yeah, let's use, just gonna wait for it to load. Alright, just click this, and we can actually view it for a second. Alright, now, and there it's playing. Okay, so that's that, and now if you go to Objects, you can just customize the name, the font, the height, and the thickness. And then you can download it with this little download button, obviously. So over here, we have that. Start video render. Balanced. I like to keep it at that, but you can keep it at good quality if you want, but yeah. And you click start video render. It normally takes about 2 minutes, 1 minute maybe, to load, and then we can start going on to Canva. So let's wait for that to load. Okay, so Canva has loaded. Now I actually created an account on this, and now you can click create a design, and you can just type up if you want a YouTube thumbnail, for an example. But it really has everything it needs. So I'm in the middle of creating a course actually. So I have actually created an introduction 1920 times 1080 pixel thing, and it's like really cool. I got this off a template, and Canva actually has a lot of templates, but obviously you don't need to have a template. You can keep it blank. For the background, you can really do anything with it, and that's what I really like about Canva. So I can change it to a pink background, but I actually like to keep it the way the template is if I really like the look of it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, next thing you know, you can download it. Now there is a thing called Canva Pro on Canva, so anything that has this little like crown symbol, like if I searched up wolf for an example, and this is like a common one. There are many images that actually have a pro, and you can take the free trial for that, but it wears off in 30 days. So yeah, you've got to make the most of it. So you're going to have to get a lot of ideas and try and create it in 30 days. Then you can name it over here, and you can even create videos with this. Now you can click download. Now there is a suggested format for your image maybe, but you can put on a SVG, but that is also like has the crown symbol. You can get the PDF, which is like standard and print. Now you can also, Canva can also print things for you. So I'm going to click download on this, and it's going to get up with this little thing. And you can also get like business cards. Canva can print out business cards for you, whatever you want. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So now we can view this file, and it is a very quality image, and it has my Poppins font. You can change the color of anything. I guess it's like really easy to use. It is a great UI and UX. So I would highly suggest using it. Now let's move on to what I use after I've done with it. So let's just use Microsoft G to film myself going on Visual Studio Code and typing up some random, very basic code. Now, actually, for Visual Studio Code, it brings me back to what Visual Studio Code, what code editor do I use, and obviously that's Visual Studio Code, but I understand when you first download it, you don't really get this page, and it's like not, so Visual Studio Code you can actually customize with extensions, and the extensions I like to keep installed are Material Theme, Material Icon Theme, and Material Theme. And they actually give me this sort of like background. So Material Icon Theme, you can click Set File Icon Theme, and it has all these icons that are like used for it. And then you can have the Material Theme, which is probably the most epic theme now for Visual Studio Code. And it's actually looking really good. I think it just makes my workspace look nice. But anyway, where were we? In screen recording this. So I'm just gonna screen record myself typing a paragraph, for example. Well, let's type paragraph. Okay. Hi there. This is some dummy text. Okay, you know what, let's just keep it at that. But the thing with Microsoft Game Bar is that you can't actually record two tabs at the same time. So if I was to also open up Live Server, it would only get Visual Studio Code or Live Server. So that won't really work with it. But yeah, let's just end this recording. Game clip recorded. And you can just view it. Okay, so I have that. And now, then after that, what I like to do is I go onto Video Editor, which is actually built into any Microsoft or Dell computer. I'm actually using a Dell, but I also have a Microsoft Surface. Okay, let's click. Alright. Let's go on to Video Editor. Okay. New video project, and you get this sort of like interface. You can name your video, so I'm going to say this is just basic, and yeah, okay, so I can see that it hasn't loaded properly because of this. Let's add something to it from this PC, and I can choose what I want to add from this specific PC. Let's go to our downloads and get our image. So introduction, that is the one that we want. And you can drag it onto your storyboard. But obviously first I want to add a title card to this. Okay, let's add some text to our title card because I think it's going to look amazing. And now the one that I really like to use is actually the electric sort of thing, and you can edit it from this title bar up here. So I say, hi, what's up? And you can customize where it goes, over here, over here, over here, in this layout section below. I normally like to keep it down, and yeah. Alright, now let's go to background. You can change this. So I like to use a pale red, but I like to use seafoam and mint light too. Those are the colors that I really like to go for. But yeah, you can also add a custom color. Now you can add your little image and place it over here. And you can also actually change the duration of this. So let's play this. Hi, what's up? Does this need some background music? Because I certainly agree. And that's where background music comes in. Amplified looks great for me. Let's add this background music. Let's play it now. Okay. Yeah, but it keeps on continuing. And you can actually change the duration of either of your items with this little checkbox. Click on it, and well, you can actually delete it. Any of this. Then you can do, I think if you right click on this, you can click duration, and you can actually change the duration of this. Your custom seconds, so if I wanted to keep it for 60 seconds, I could keep it for 60 seconds, and I could increase how long it would be. There. And to finish video, you just click this, high quality, if you want more options, and you can click export, but obviously, yeah. Okay. Now, I think that basically wraps it up. Then I upload it on YouTube, so I can, just upload it on Arcodia. And that is actually how we make our videos. So it's nothing too hard. It's pretty simple, actually, and we like to do it how the beginners use. So we were actually planning to do a video like this. So we were going to keep our editing simple, so you guys could follow along if you wanted to create videos like this. So I really hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.